So believe it or not, I actually had to change my shirt just to get in front of you guys. If you guys wondering why, it's because I didn't buy any merch. If you guys really want to support the channel, help us out as much as you guys can, all you have to do is buy a t-shirt. Y'all be spending more at Chipotle's, McDonald's, all that. So if you want to get some of that stuff, link in the description below. I'm gonna just tell y'all quick. This video, we just went out into the city, had a good time, did some banger stuff, took the caddy out. I know you guys have been waiting for this, so also if you want to see the caddy get a little bit more upgrades here and there, buy some merch. That's all y'all gotta do, and you can get some nice t-shirts, because I know y'all got some dusty t-shirts at home. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe, you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this new kind of look. I finally figured out how to use the 4K on my camera, so the video should be a little bit more crispy. I'm also trying to get some more videos out at least once a week for you guys. Comment down your video ideas below and we'll get to them. Let's check out this banger, yo. Federales.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. So these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping. Said I had to go get some racks now, so when I hit them all I put racks down. You can smell all the way through the packs now. Take your bitch to the crib, blow her back out. Fuck a good, got a check in my background. On my page trying to see where I'm at now. Hit my phone when you trying to come back round. I can tell she don't know how to act now, cause she hit my phone on the regular. Told her that you not the one, girl, you know that she trippin'. I cannot fuck with no skis, and she told me she like to fuck, so I said we can get it. But don't fall in love with a nigga, I met her at inside the club, it was me and my niggas. And she keep on blowing my phone up, but I cut that bitch up by the end of the winter. I told her, don't you try play with me, I wanna hear what you say about me when I'm around. I know the devil, he chasing me, tryna come take you away from me, I hold you down. I told my haters, keep hating me, I got an army that stay with me, can't take me down. I just been waiting so patiently, I told my mama, just wait for me, look at me now. Cause I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping. Said I had to go get some racks now, so when I hit them all I put racks down. You can smell all the way through the backs now.